Hey, welcome to my YouTube channel, Making Sense of Credit. I'm Tony Hill, personal and small business credit coach, online marketer, and YouTuber. Hey, welcome. Hey, got a really good product for you, and I'm not going to spend a whole lot of time. I'm just going to jump into it. Uh, Actually, this product is exclusively under David Allen Capital Group Inc. And look, I hadn't heard about this, but I guess it came out May 10th, 2021. Really, it just kind of came across really odd way I found out about it. But I'm a reverse engineer this. I'll tell you that at the end. Hopefully, you'll stay with me to the end. But like, let me just jump into the product. This product is called Bank Breezy. You can get up to 25,000 today. Instant approval. Let me just share this with you. I did an application. I got approved. Let me just say, I made myself a note. I put mine in at 942, and I got funds in my business checking at 442. Yeah, so that's good product. Look, it's got to make sense for you, right? You have to ask yourself, what's the benefit if I get this loan? Let me just share a little bit with you as far as what it is. Look, in my 35 years, I haven't seen anything like this. Because here's why. Most of the revenues are higher, right? Every now and then you'll find one 50 to 20. Most of the ones I've seen are 20 to 30,000 monthly bank revenue. Okay, and they want 3 month statements. But this one's $5,000 a month bank revenue, which knocked my socks off. I haven't seen that before. So what a great product! But you need a business checking. 6 months of business. As you guys know, most times you're going to need 2 years of business, and a lot of times you're going to need to be a guarantor. And look at this. This is just ridiculous. This is crazy. 450 plus FICO score. You could, as low as 450 FICO score. The process is easy. Everything's pretty much online. My thing when my bank would link. My checking account wouldn't link. So what I had to do it manually. I called them. I had to send them a copy of a voided check, driver's license, and 3 month statements. Boom, it was sent out. I was approved. Signed agreement. You're gonna get a email from hello sign that you sign that, and then it's very easy. The thing I love about it is no hard inquiries, soft inquiries. Terms are right there for you. And the great thing about it, no collateral. So, this loan is unbelievable. This advance is unbelievable. And look, depending on what state you are in, it's available in all 50 states. Some states there's going to be an advance versus a loan, whatever the case may be. You can read the fine print there. Once again, also you can do add-on funds. And I would just say, if you got approved, pay it off, and then you could come back and they will give you more money. But it was simple. It was easy. No fuss. I did write down a few other things for you. Look, the thing about it is that funding up to 25,000, approximately they're going to give you 75% of your monthly revenue. So if you make 10 grand, you're probably going to get about $7,500 advance, okay? And then also repayments are from 1.19 to 1.69. I'm not going to get into math about that, but you're going to save a bunch of money if you pay it off in 30, bunch of money if you pay it off to 60 versus going to full term. My loan is like 78 days. Whether I go that or not, I don't know. Of course, I'm going to save, but it gives me the flexibility to do what I'm going to use the money for. Like some of you guys might need equipment, somebody need apparel, whatever the case may be, where you could take that money and flip it and make a whole lot of money, 2-3 times this money. And I wouldn't let the 1.19 or even the 1.69 scare you off. Make sure it's got, and I understand it's got to be a benefit for you. 4 to 6 months term, automatic daily payment. So I think I'm not going to get in what my payments are, but my payments are daily, 5 days a week. They don't take any payments out on the weekends or holidays. Minimum requirements: business entity, LLC or corp, no sole proprietorship. Business checking account must be in a business name, cannot be in your personal name. Used for business. Online banking is set up. 6 months in business, 5,000 monthly sales. Owner has a 450 FICO score. Minimum NSFs, so you can't be bouncing checks all over the place. No more than 5 NSFs or negative days of any in the last 3 months. It's a good idea that you don't have any negative, banking history within the last 90 days. Now I will say this. So I did, and so I told another client, one of my small business clients, she got approved. Now she didn't have, because I know they say you need 5,000, 5,000, 5,000 for 3 consecutive months. She had a 44,000, 3,500, then she had like a $10,000 month, and she still got approved because her accumulation was about $5,300 over 90 days. So, and I know DAC says you need 5,000 each month. So maybe, and my whole point is that I would say go for it anyway. See what happens. You still may get approved like she did, but typically they want 5,000 each month. But she got approved. And this might be welcome news to the, even the owner if he's watching. So look, great product. I did write down a couple other things. So look, if you apply it same day before noon, you could actually have the funds in your business checking the same day. If you apply afternoon, more likely going to get funded the next day. Weekends don't count. So if you did something, you applied, you won't get a solid decision until Monday. Once again, no hard pulls. Starting from 2,500 up to 25,000. General, like I said, once again, general rule of thumb: 75% of your revenue, your sales that you're getting. That's really about it. I just wanted to kind of throw those things out there. Also, too, when you get your agreement, you're going to get something from an email from HelloSign to do online. Pretty much everything's online. Now, I did have to do a little rehash because they wanted to know a couple things on, money I was getting from here and there. So they'll go to like a manual. You'll typically get a phone call, which I love. Me being an old school guy, I'm not a real big fan of fintech, but I got a call. They wanted to, so the original offer that they gave me, it was revised a little lower because once they couldn't link my bank account, so I had to send them my, statements, my 3-month statements. And once they looked at it, then they linked the account. Then they saw, things change a little bit. So it was revised down a little lower than the first offer, but that was okay. I love the fact that how they revised it. They are really looking to get you this money that you need. That's what I can tell you. Now work with it. The other thing too, if you're doing your application and the time's out, don't start over, okay? Because then your application will be red flagged as a duplicate. So just go, they'll send you a link by text and by email. Click that link to get back in to finish. Or if you get kicked out. Sometimes, once again, you might get kicked off and then they'll do a manual process and you typically will get a call. The company that DAC is working for, David Allen Capital is working with, is BD Advance. They're doing the financing pretty much exclusive with DAC. Like I said, I very impressed. Same day approval. I did sign up as and also too as another option. If you don't need money, but you want to make a little extra income, you can be an independent contractor. I signed up right after today. I'm an independent contractor. I'm going to leave my link down below. You can go in and add funds if you want to just, and actually you could be a partner. You can, get your funds Then also, if you wanted more money, they do have a product. If you make at least $25,000 per month and up, you could get up to $2 million uh, in, in advance. So the thing about it is that that'll be another video that I'll put out, but that's an option, and it's called David Alley Capital. Uh, it's another product that they have is for larger amounts, up to $2 million. But look, I will put all that information down below. If you want to get funding now, it's brilliant. Never seen it in my 35 years. Whereas something that's $5,000 POI, proof of income, which I know is very doable for a lot of you guys. If you're not there yet, you still got my link. You can go on. So let's say if you're going to be moving out of that, you're going to be making more money in the next couple, 3 to 4 months. Keep the link and then apply it in if you need the money. So look, I'm going to end this video. Just wanted to share this with you. This has been around since May 10th. 2021. I can't believe it just came across. And like what I was telling you about the reverse engineering, I went to a SBE, Small Business Expo here in Atlanta, and a lady was in front of me. And I said, "Oh, what did you do?" She's like, "Oh, I'm an independent contractor, business capital." I said, "Okay, give me your card." Gave me a little job card, and sure enough, here I am talking about the product. It's a great product, but long as the benefits work for you. And once again, you'll get that opportunity once you get approved to check it out, and hopefully you can use this, okay? And then once again, share it with your friends and family. Like I always say, don't keep it to yourself. And if you like this, please like it, and also subscribe to my channel. Thanks for being here with me. Tony Hill, Make Your Sense of Credit. Until the next time, guys, you know what I'm going to be doing. Make your sense of credit. Take care.